Who doesn't love a boozy dessert drink? And the Grasshopper is one of the OGs. The original version was equal parts creme de menthe, creme de cacao and cream, which does lean a little bit on the sweeter side. I like Dale de Groff's version, which ups the cream so that it's still really rich but actually a little bit less sweet. So let's get making. We're gonna go 45 mils of cream, and then 30 mils of creme de menthe. Obviously all the big brands do mint liqueur. This one isn't as lurid green, so I'd probably just get a little hint of green and not the bright one that you might have seen. And then 30 mils of white creme de cacao. A little sort of white chocolate vibe there. Then we're just gonna give this a nice big shake up. And that's gonna go into our chilled glass. I'm gonna go with some grated nutmeg. Didn't really get any green at all, but I'm sure it's still gonna taste delicious. I mean, look, it's a classic for a reason, and there's a reason that it's still around. I do feel like the Grasshopper is very much a love it or hate it drink, so let me know what side of the fence you sit on in the comments. The Grasshopper, so now you know.